we crunch the numbers for the client and then come up with some strategies to be able to save tax for that client. What does the process look like? So it's kind of at Inspire. So other accounting firms do this process as well, but here's kind of how I work with it at Inspire. So we deliver it between March and June every year. So we, as an accounting team, we've been preparing for this since even January, February, getting it ready. Towards the end of March, we start rolling it out for our clients. And then the goal is we need to estimate the profit for the year. Now, we work with business clients, and so we log into their Xero and see how their quarters have done for September, December, and March. And we need fairly accurate bookkeeping here. Otherwise, if it's not accurate, then our estimations are going to be out of whack. So we need to be careful with how the bookkeeping's been done and making sure that's on time and accurate. And what we're finding is, clients need to have up to the end of March done. Now we're only 7 days into the new quarter, which some of our clients have bookkeepers that visit every week. They're the sort of clients booking in meetings at the moment because we can actually estimate what these 9 months look like. And then June is the one we estimate. And that involves having a conversation with that client saying, are you on track to keep is your income looking to be stable over the next few months, or is it going to go down or up? And we're able to edit, in our good old spreadsheets, what the revenue looks like, and same with expenses. Are you expecting any big bills? Annual insurance, for instance, is something that sometimes we don't know, but the business owner might. I got 20 grand in insurance premiums coming up in June. That's the sort of stuff we talk to, and then any other considerations that the client wants us to think about for tax planning. We then go away from that initial phone call or interaction, Zoom meeting, crunch the numbers for the client, and then come up with some strategies to be able to save tax for that client. And that's where we catch up again to deliver our tax planning or tax plan, advise and decide on strategies. So we might come up with a dozen different things the client can do, and they might agree, hey, I want to do 6 out of 12 or 8 or all of them or none of them. And each strategy might have a cash flow requirement. For instance, you get a tax deduction for putting money into super. We say, hey, if you put 10 grand into super, it might save you 2.5K in tax, and then you're tucking some money away into super for later as well. But clients might not want to do that, for instance. So anyway, that meeting is a collaborative effort of here's all the things we think you can do, which ones do you want to do, and finalize that tax plan. Out of that last meeting, we give a list of steps for implementation of that plan as well. So, pay that then, or pay yourself a salary bonus before the end of June, that sort of thing. So there is actually like a full-on plan that the client needs to follow to make that happen.